Now we'll start with the placentation. As said earlier, placenta is a structure that is bag-like region from where ovules develop within the ovary. So, such an arrangement of ovules within the ovary is called placentation. As it can be seen from the figure, placent is of basically 5 types. First, marginal. Second, parietal. Third, exile. Fourth, precentral. And fifth, basal. As it can be seen from the figure, in marginal placentation, the ovary is unilocular and is located on the inner folds. In parietal type, the ovules develop on the inner wall in the periphery of the ovary. In exile type, the ovules are arranged on the central axis. In precentral, the ovules are born on the central axis from which ovules arises. And in basal type, the placenta that develops at the base of the ovary and bears a single ovule. Let us begin with the first type of placentation, that is marginal. As said earlier, in this type of placentation, the ovary is unilocular and the ovules present here are born on the inner folds. Of the ovary wall. Example of such type of placentation is pea and bean. This figure depicts the marginal placentation in pea plant. The second type of placentation is parietal placentation. As it can be seen from the figure, the ovules develop on the inner wall in the periphery of the ovary. Here, the ovary is unichambered or single chambered, but it becomes two chambered due to the formation of false septum. Example, mustard and argemone. The third type of placentation is axial placentation. As it can be seen from the figure, these ovules are arranged on the central axis within the ovary. Moreover, the ovary is divided into locules and the number of these locules depends on the number of carpels. Example for this type of placentation is tomato, which is mentioned in this figure, and hibiscus. Now, the fourth type of placentation is free central placentation. As it can be seen from the figure, these ovules are arranged or borne on the central axis which arises from the base of the ovary. Ovules are arranged that is borne on the central axis that arises from the base of the ovary. The ovules present in free central placentation are not connected by the partitions within the ovary wall. Example for this type of placentation is dianthus. Now fifth and the last type of placentation is basal placentation. In this type, the placenta develops at the base of the ovary chamber, which is pointed by the arrow, and bears a single ovule. Thus, in this type, placenta develops at the base of the ovary and single ovule occurs. Example for this type of placentation is sunflower. Now here, in case of sunflower, as it can be seen from the figure, the placenta develops from the base of the ovary chamber, exhibiting basal type of placentation.